Shalom everybody and welcome back to Mercyland. This is Sunday evening. The 7th of September. And we've had a beautiful Sunday service today. And now I'm just taking in the evening air. It's just going dark. There you can see the chickens. There you can see the chickens just getting ready to go in, those last couple. Most of them are in. And as I turn round back past the round kitchen and past the day kitchen there, you can see the moon in the distance. We've got a pretty much red moon tonight. It's very, very still. You can see the trees, not a breath tonight, but it's been a beautiful day. It's been a wonderful day as I just pan round here. Past the gardens, you can see the gardens, past the car. There you can make out on the balcony there. There's Auntie Tembi and Evangelist Tembi and Manfundis just having a chat. So I'll leave them to it and I'll just pan back round. I'll just walk down to the gate, show you around the rest of Mercyland there's the lemon tree again. Still bearing lots of fruit. It's been really good, really good. And we just move round. Just approaching the gate, you can see the cows have just come home. The donkeys are here. The cows are about, the donkeys are about, they're all eating. There's one of the donkeys just here. I'll just open the gate and go through. There's one of the donkeys here, just come for a drink. You can see him there. And you pan back round and the lights are starting to come on. Past the orphanage there. The orphanage next stage starts on Tuesday. The next stage, take it up to the roofing and hopefully some of the roofing will get done this next week or so. And then just pass around past the tabernacle tent. Past the cars. And down you can see the shop at the bottom. The restaurant. Right down in the distance there. So that's just a little view of evening time here at Mercyland, Gua Village in Kai District, Matabeleland North Province, Zimbabwe. And I'll pan back round. You see the neighbours' houses over in the distance there, and back round to the compound. Another beautiful sunset. As I've commented it before. Wow, God's creation. God's wonderful painting. Amazing. And back round past the donkey. There it goes. Not sure the name of this one. I can't remember the name of this one. But they're scavenging about looking for bits of food on this dry area as it is at the moment. So there we go, Sunday the 7th of September. I have about another week and a bit left here in Zimbabwe before I have to return home. So I'll keep you posted with what's going on. We had a very powerful service today. And we had our graduation today, our first graduation. I'll post some videos on that. And things are starting to get very busy here at Mercyland. So I'll keep everybody updated. Everybody take care. And shalom. Ukutula.